Welcome back, future dental hygienists. Now, I always want to remind you that when viewing this video, each section we will always cover a National Board question and answer that we have known has been on the current exam. So each time you view one of our videos, make sure you look out for the NB Q&A so you're able to write these down and review these during your study sessions. Now, I want you guys to write this number down, memorize it, recite it. The optimum fluoridation amount for the city water is going to be 0.7, not 7, not 7D, 0.7 parts per million. I guarantee you some of you will encounter this on your test. Now, this is very important, so please make sure that you memorize, because I know you should be able to answer this question. So, for our National Board question and answer, which fluoride can scratch porcelain crowns? You guessed it, acidulated phosphate fluoride.